So I really wanted to talk about today about our TC64 Digilog probe and our TC64 RG probe, so surface finish or roughness gauge probe. Basically what you're going to be seeing over here on my right is we're scanning a blisk using our TC64 RG probe, and what that's giving us is the ability in process to analyze surface finish, feed the surface finish back to the control, and keep our parts running in spec and not having to worry about an operator stopping and checking those parts for surface finish every few minutes or every certain amount of parts. That feedback's coming right back to the control, allowing us to keep it running. As well as our TC64 Digilog probe, which is our scanning system. Now what the 64 Digilog is going to do is it's more of a comparator. So, and what I mean by that is any type of a profile finish or profile surface, we can follow those profiles like what you're seeing right here in a 5-axis simulation. And what we're comparing for is defects in that blisk or defects in that blade. So without having to remove it is huge, because now you're actually in a clamped state, especially with the scanning series probe or the Digilog series probe, because now the part's actually in the physical clamped state when you're checking it. As for the surface finish probe, there's way more benefits than just simply the operator having to stop and manually check the part or check it in process later. You've got this level of safety involved. You know, if the operator's going inside that machine or reaching in there with his hands, there's always that opportunity for accidentally cutting himself or anything like that. Now, it's done by the machine and in process. So, the machine, you know, it's not necessarily for the robotic side itself. It's due to the sensitivity of the surface finish sensor inside. You know, it picks up the vibration inside of a robotic arm. But if you're running it truly in the machine spindle, that data could be held or handed off to an automated cell. So now, if you're running like a cell controller with your robotic system, yes, then the robot knows, hey, surface finish is out of tolerance, profile's out of tolerance. Place this part in the no good bin, make any adjustments, and continue the machining process. How about www.blumnovotest.com, or you can find us on our YouTube page.